In previous program, we have used dynamic memory management for creating the array. In this program, we'll use declaration of the array and initialization of the array simultaneously. Now here, we have created the array Sam, whose dimensions are 2 and 3. There are 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay, so instead of dynamic memory management, here we have used previous technique, old technique. Okay, now you see the function display is exactly same in this program. So for function display of previous program I have used over here. See the parameter, it is an integer star star a. This means a is a pointer to pointer. Now if you compile this program will generate an error message. What is that error message? Let's see. That error message is, so there is one warning message, not the error message. Okay, what is that warning? Suspicious pointer conversion in function main. And I told you that this is really a very serious type of warning message. Now if you execute the program and see the output, you will get a garbage. This was not our input. The array contains something else, that is 1 2 3 and 4 5 6, but we got 0 2 1 5 0 etc etc. So this is garbage. Okay, what is the reason? Let's analyze this program. Now the question is, why this program generate a serious warning message? And the second question is, why the output of this program is wrong? The answer is, the C language implements the two-dimensional array as one-dimensional array in the memory. Hence the parameter integer star star a in the function display is not correct. So in this program this parameter is not correct, because this is a pointer to pointer, and actually C language implemented two-dimensional array as a one-dimensional array. Hence it should be integer star a, then it can access the element. Okay, now you see the analysis of previous program. In the previous program we got the correct output. What was the reason? Let's see. But in previous program we have allocated the memory dynamically, and we have created two-dimensional array as an array of arrays in the memory. Hence in the heap area actually two-dimensional array is created. Understood the concept? In this program, in this particular program, what happened is that, current program, the C language implemented two-dimensional array as a one-dimensional array. But in previous program, we have created two-dimensional array in the memory. Okay? So, this was the reason that previous program, the parameter integer star star a in the function display was correct. That is, the parameter integer star star a in previous program was correct, and hence we got the correct output in previous program. But here this parameter is not correct, and hence we got the serious warning message and a wrong output. Is it clear? Thank you.